Conversation 7. What a mess!
What a mess! Whose books are these? They are Rick's, and those toys are Ellie's. What about these headphones? I don't know. Are they Rick's? Oh yes, you are right. And these colored pencils? Oh, they are mine. Sorry.
Listen and practice. A.
What a mess! Whose books are these? What about these headphones? Oh yes, you are right. And these colored pencils?
B.
They are Rick's, and those toys are Ellie's. I don't know. Are they Rick's? Oh, they are mine. Sorry.
Don't forget to subscribe to support free education.